Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to publish your Lovable AI app on the Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser, and we need to have two tabs open. So we need lovable.dev and median.co. So from here, go back to lovable.dev, sign into your account. Now once we're signed into our account, click onto all projects. Now find that application that you'd like to deploy to your Google Play Store. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here once it loads. So parental path. So now this is just for demonstration purposes. Now once I open it, you need to make sure your app or website or whatever is published. So go ahead and click on publish your project. Now once it's published, we want to go ahead and get that link. So we can go ahead and suss it out, put it in a new tab. So now this is a baby tracker app or website of been using for demonstration purposes. Now basically from here, come to median.co and then enter that URL to try it out. So paste that in and click on build your app. Now from here, it's going to say create new app. So the website URL, so the web page to display when your app loads. So you've got that link there, your app name, we can edit there if you want, and your organizations. Then from there, go ahead and click on start building my app. Now on the right hand side, depending how busy median.co is, it's saying here app in queue. So give that a few moments and then it will start working on your application. So go make a coffee, go grab a snack, or there we go here. So now it's building the iOS first, and it's going to build Android, iPad, Android tablet, etc. Now once this completes building, go ahead on the left hand side, click onto build and download. Now on the right, it's going to say app download and build settings, app download. Now we want to go ahead and build the Android APK AAB. So go ahead and click onto build, and that's going to start building. Then from here, once you've built it, you want to go ahead and download it. So we can download the APK AAB, or we can even install on an Android device, see what it looks like as well. Then from there, we need to go ahead and go to your Google Play console, sign in with your Google account. And now you need to go ahead and set up your developer profile as well. And then basically you want to create a new app listing. So in the Play console, click on create app, and then enter the app name, default language, app type, free or paid, and then upload your app bundle. So go to releases, production, click create new release, and upload your files. So your APK or AAB from Median. And from there, you can also add your store listing details. So you must complete your app description, short description, and all that good stuff.